Let us dive into today's 5 Shona verbs.
Inindiri kucheka paper. That means I am cutting paper.
This is kugadzira, to make or build. Tari na Mia vari kugadzira tower. That means Tari and Mia are making a tower. Correct!
Next Shona verb is kugeza.
Inindiri kugeza mau kwangu, meaning I am washing my hands.
Our next verb is kupfeka, to wear or put on. Kupfeka, I am putting on the jacket and hat.
Our final verb today is kusveta, to suck.
So today we learn these verbs. Kucheka meaning to cut.
Oh, I try?
Yes, Mia, you cut the paper. And kugadzira meaning to make or build. And also kugeza meaning to wash. Then kupfeka meaning to wear or put on.
Kupfeka, cool.
Like getting dressed? Yeah, sounds fun.
And finally kusveta meaning to suck. Ooh. Wait, the next Shona lesson is even cooler. Please don't miss it. Support the Shona Squad. Please share and subscribe.